Everyone's always like, I can't do that. Then they're shocked at what they make in class. Never say, I can't do it. Come and try it. My name is Lisa Mansour, and I run New York Cake Academy in New York City. I'm one of the instructors here that give people experiences on how to make cakes, how to do cake pops, savory things like pizza, pasta, sushi, we do it all. So we're a family-owned business. I work here with my mom and my sister. My mom started this business over 30 plus years. A woman back then having a business was not the easiest thing in the world. And now it's like cool to have a woman-owned business, and the fact that I'm a part of it is really nice. Believe it or not, it started in our home in Brooklyn, literally at our dining room table. My mother used to make us the greatest cakes growing up, and everyone wanted them. So she started teaching classes. She told people, if you come over, I'll teach you how to do it. So we literally would have strangers at our dining room table once a week at night. I would literally say goodnight to them, go upstairs, and there'd be buttercream all over the house. And it grew into a business because my dad had a retail store. He said, take the pharmacy in the back. And she started teaching classes in the little space in Manhattan, and it grew into a business from there. So it was really cool because I learned the art side from her and the business side from my dad. She was really the first person to do this in New York City. She sold all the supply. No one had that. There was no Amazon. You couldn't get this stuff anywhere. So that's when I came in full time. She's like, Lisa, can you run the store while I teach the classes? And that's exactly what I did. And then eventually my sister came into the business and she helped my mother with the school. And now here we're all together. So my first class, I was afraid of public speaking actually. So I was so scared. My voice was shaking and she encouraged me. She's like, you could do it, you could do it. So I listened to her. And then once I started, it just came. I love our decorating classes, always fun. It makes people happy. You know, they feel so satisfying when they're decorating. They go home with a cake that they made. It was, you know, it's so satisfying for me, and to see their smiles makes me very happy. I love baking all different kinds of cakes. Now the craze is like the Dubai chocolate bar. That's fun. It changes all the time. I would say you have to come and try it. Everyone's always like, I can't do that. And then literally they're shocked at what they make in class. So never say, I can't do it. You have to try and you'll be surprised at what you can make. What I hear from students is like, this is their therapy. They come here to enjoy, relax, and feel good.
Experience the texture, the temperature, the feel. Everybody's different, but if they can leave their expectations at the door, just be in the moment.